we're going to take a photograph and we're going to create a reflection in water. So here's our image, and what we're going to do is we're going to copy the layer, Control J, and then I'm going to flip it upside down by going to Edit, and I'm going to use a transform. Under transform, I'm going to go down to flip vertical. Now what I'm going to do is lower the opacity of the layer so I can see the top layer, and then grab the move tool and move it so that it matches the horizon line. And it looks like it's a little skewed, so I'm going to hit Edit Free Transform, and I'm just going to rotate it just a little bit and arrow key it over so that it's exactly the same proportions from side to side. Click Commit. And now I'm going to click the Layer Mask button on the top layer, create a mask, grab my paintbrush, and paint away the top area so that I only have the bottom area underneath. And so that looks pretty good. Now, that water looks awfully reflective. I can lower the opacity, 50%, 30%. I can also blur it if I want. If I go up to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Oh, have to be in the right place, have to be in the paint layer, not the mask layer. Let's do that again. Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and there we go. We're getting a little bit of a blur there. And click OK. And so what I've done is I flipped the photograph and applied it to the bottom part and faded it back and made it look like there was a reflection in the water.